I wear a crown on my head and I am a fruit. Am I a pineapple or an apple? Pineapple. I give milk and say, moo. Am I a cow or a goat? Cow. I twinkle in the sky at night. Am I a star or a kite? Star. I can take you to space. Am I a rocket or a train? Rocket. I have black and white stripes and run fast. Am I a zebra or a horse? Zebra. I grow tall and give shade. Am I a tree or a chair? Tree. I am round and people eat me with sauce. Am I pizza or bread? Pizza. I live in water and blow bubbles. Am I a fish or a bird? Fish. I am green outside and red inside. Am I a watermelon or an orange? Watermelon. I protect you from rain. Am I an umbrella or a cap? Umbrella. I carry letters and parcels. Am I a postman or a doctor? Postman. I have a mane and neigh. Am I a horse or a donkey? Horse.